Reeve has 5 red balls. Reeve gives Doug 4 red balls from his collection. How many red balls is Reeve left with? Doug has 6 apples. He gifts 3 apples to his friend, Reeve. How many apples is he left with? Brian has 6 baseball cards. Brian gives Doug 3 baseball cards from his collection. How many baseball cards is Brian left with? Aaron has 5 sketch pens. Aaron gives Doug 3 sketch pens from his collection. How many sketch pens is Aaron left with? Emily has 7 apples in a basket. Brian takes away 1 apple. How many apples are left in the basket?
Aced it. Let's start with another, shall we?
Reeve had 3 apples. He used some apples. He was left with 1 apple. How many apples did he use? Aaron had 3 oranges. He used some oranges. He was left with 1 orange. How many oranges did he use? Brian had 3 apples. He used some apples. He was left with 2 apples. How many apples did he use? Aaron had 3 oranges. He used some oranges. He was left with 2 oranges. How many oranges did he use? Sean had 4 apples. He used some apples. He was left with 1 apple. How many apples did he use?
Aced it.